Hello everyone! In this video, we'll discuss what are the different types of mobile devices. Thank you for joining the video, and let's get started. This video is a part of the Udemy course Manual Software Test and Interview, Q&A for QA. For more information, check the description below the video. Mobile devices have become an indispensable part of our daily lives. From making calls and sending text messages, taking a photo, recording a video to browsing the internet and running complex applications, these devices have evolved significantly over the years. There are many types of mobile devices and their number continues to grow. The first type of mobile devices is smartphones. Smartphones are perhaps the most common type of mobile device. They combine the functionality of a cell phone with advanced computing capabilities, allowing users to make calls, send messages, browse the web, take photos, play games, and run various applications. There are different types of operating systems that power these devices. The most common are iOS, Android, Windows Phone, Tizen, Harmony OS, etc. Operating systems like iOS and Android offering a user-friendly interface and seamless connectivity. We'll explain what versions of Android and iOS are currently in use on the market in the next video. Smartphones come in a wide range of models and prices, catering to different needs and budgets, and can be categorized under different categories such as flagship smartphones. These are top-of-the-line devices offered by leading manufacturers like Apple, Samsung, Google, and others. They feature cutting-edge hardware, exceptional camera systems, and the latest software innovations. The next category of smartphones is mid-range smartphones. These devices offer a balanced mix of performance and affordability, making them suitable for most users. Companies like OnePlus and Xiaomi excel in this segment. The next category of smartphones is budget smartphones. Designed for cost-conscious consumers, budget smartphones provide essential features without breaking the bank. Brands like Motorola and Nokia have a strong presence in this market. In conclusion, smartphones play a crucial role in mobile testing, as they are the primary devices on which mobile applications and websites are accessed by users. Testing on smartphones is essential to ensure that your mobile application or website functions correctly and provides a seamless user experience. The next type of mobile device are tablets. Tablets are larger mobile devices with touchscreen displays primarily designed for content consumption and productivity. They fill the gap between smartphones and laptops, offering portability and a more extensive screens for tasks like reading, watching videos, and playing games. In this category, some of the most popular tablets brands are Apple iPad, Samsung Galaxy Tab, Amazon Fire Tablet, Microsoft Surface, etc. When you refer to tablets in mobile testing, it typically means testing tablets for compatibility, performance, and functionality within a mobile application or website. In most projects, aside from testing on desktop devices, testing is performed on mobile devices and tablets to ensure that the user experience remains consistent and optimized across different screen sizes and device types. This ensures a consistent and enjoyable user experience for a broader audience. Now, let's talk about next type of mobile devices, that is, wearables. Wearable devices have gained prominence in recent years, offering a wide range of functions such as fitness tracking, heart rate monitoring, notification alerts, and other functions on the application to enhance the user experience. They often interact with mobile, thus incorporating thorough testing of wearables in your mobile app testing strategy is essential to ensure a seamless and reliable user experience for users who rely on these devices to interact with your app. Especially testing wearables in a medical project is of paramount importance, as it involves not only the functionality of the wearable device, but also critical aspects like data accuracy, security, and regulatory compliance. Collaboration with medical professionals and regulatory experts is crucial to ensure that the wearable device and mobile app meet the highest standards for safety and reliability in healthcare applications. The next type of mobile device is gaming devices. For gaming enthusiasts, mobile gaming devices offer a unique experience. These portable consoles combine the flexibility of a handheld device with the gaming power of a traditional console, allowing gamers to enjoy their favorite titles on the go. Testing gaming devices in the context of mobile applications or games is essential to ensure that games or applications are compatible, playable, and enjoyable on various gaming platforms. Testing mobile games and applications on gaming devices requires a deep understanding of both mobile and gaming platforms. Collaboration between game developers and testers with experience in console and PC gaming is essential to ensure that the game provides an immersive and enjoyable experience on all supported gaming platforms. The world of mobile devices is rich and diverse, catering to a wide range of preferences and needs. From the all-encompassing capabilities of smartphones to the specialized functions of gaming devices, consumers have an array of choices to suit their lifestyles. As technology continues to evolve, we can expect even more innovative and versatile mobile devices to enter the market, further enhancing our mobile experiences. Thus, mobile testing will grow as well. That's all from our side. If there are topics that you would like to see, write a comment or question to the lecturer. We hope to see you in the next video.